How to use quick call on TH-681 PoC radio. You can make a quick call by setting up shortcuts, or typing first 3 digits of username. Keys 1 to 9 can be set as shortcuts for specific members. Select user list. Select desired user. Press and hold one of the keys to set a shortcut for the user. Press and hold the shortcut key to select the user. Then press and hold the PTT button to make a call. When creating a user on the platform, the username should be prefixed with 3 digits. This will also allow you to make the quick call. In the standby status, search for the desired user by typing the first 3 digits of the username. Then press and hold the PTT button to make a call.